Now, for the purpose of entertainment and for the purpose of transparency, I have to say that the images that you are seeing on the screen are AI generated and they do not represent actual people. Otherwise, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, and without wasting any time, let's begin. Imagine living a life where money is no longer a concern. A life where you can just pursue your passions, live without debt, and not worry about the next paycheck. Welcome to the concept of financial freedom. Now, to kick off, financial freedom is not about being rich. It's about gaining control over your financial life. It's about making money work for you and not the other way around. Now, let's talk about the journey to financial freedom. Now, how does one achieve this? It's not an overnight process, but a journey that starts with a single step. The first step on this journey is to assess your current financial situation. Understand your income, assets, expenses, and the debts. This gives you a clear picture of where to stand and what you need to work on. The next step is actually to set financial goals. These should be smart goals. What I mean by smart goals, I mean SMART. Now, each letter stands for: S stands for specific, M stands for measurable, A stands for achievable, R stands for relevant, and T stands for time bound. Whether it is saving the retirement, buying a house, or reducing debt, make sure your goals align with your financial freedom vision. Now, let's talk about building a financial freedom plan. Creating a budget forms the cornerstone of your financial freedom plan. This will ensure you live within your means, save diligently, and also spend mindfully. An essential part of this journey is building an emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. It acts as a financial buffer, offering a peace of mind in terms of unexpected financial needs. Next, focus on paying off your debts, particularly high-interest ones. Strategies such as the debt snowball, or maybe a balance method, or maybe getting some money and just keeping it, can help you to actually tackle this effectively. Now, the next thing is actually accelerating the journey. Once you have handled your debt, it is time to consider investing. Investing early and regularly is low-cost index funds, maybe on some stuff, like maybe you are investing in Bitcoin or any other stuff that you want to invest in terms of long-term growth, and you're going to be leveraging the power of compound interest. To further speed up your journey, consider generating passive income. This could be dividends, rentals, or royalties, or even just creating a digital stuff that you can sell online. Passive income can provide an additional revenue stream, reducing reliance on your primary income. The next is actually monitoring and conclusion on this topic. Now, monitor your progress regularly and also adjust your financial plans as required. This ensures you stay on track and adapt to any changes in your financial situation. In conclusion, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and consistency. Now, but remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. I wish you all the best in your financial progress. And if you're liking this video, you want to see more, you want to hear more from me in terms of actually money matters and other stuff that matters to you, let me know in the comment section. And do me one favor, guys, like the video, subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you. Bye.